Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Lubuntu 24.04.2 on VMware workstation. First we will download by going to Lubuntu official website, that is lubuntu.me. Then click on downloads. Then see here we have the 24.04.2 LTS version. So scroll down, click on desktop 64-bit. Then scroll down. See here we have the two types of downloads, direct download and by using torrent link. It is up to you. So I am going to download by using direct link. Click on this Lubuntu 24.04.2 desktop ISO file. Click on it. See, download started and its size is 3.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Either is fine. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then select the Lubuntu 24.04. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Now select the Linux and select version as select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Lub 24.04.2 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then go to the path where you have the announce page. Then click on next. Now here we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, memory selected as 4 gigabytes and number of CPU cores are 2. If you want to customize this hardware information, click on customize hardware information. Then you have to select the options. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to select it and click on VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Lubuntu. See here, first we have to select language and internet connection. See, we can select the language from this list and see here the options try Lubuntu or install Lubuntu. Try Lubuntu is the temporary purpose, but to install permanently this Lubuntu version, click on install Lubuntu. Select it. Then select the language from this list. Okay, I am going with American English as the language and click on next. Select region and zone from this list or you can select on this globe. Okay, I am going with all these defaults. So click on next. Keyboard model, I am going with the defaults, that is English US and default. Then click on next. Now we have to select the installation mode. See here the default option is normal installation. Normal installation has these additional third-party options that we can select. But if select full, these are selected and grayed out. We can't unselect it. And if you select minimal, see those options are those we cannot select. So I am going with normal. If you want like install this additional third-party packages like Element, Thunderbird, Virtual Manager, Krita, it is up to you. Okay, so I am not going to select any one of them. Then click on next. Now see, this is the fresh installations, erase disk or manual partitioning. It is up to you. So I am going with erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools and this will be the username. And here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine or computer name. Later also we can change it. Okay, now provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. See, this is the overview of the virtual machine. Okay, we are okay with all the settings, then click on install. Or if you want to modify, you have to click on back, then you have to modify. I'm okay with all the settings, then click on install. Again, it is asking confirmation. If you want to go back and change the settings, you can change and you can come to this page. I'm okay with all the settings, then click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. Okay, after installation, we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Lubuntu has been installed on your computer. You may restart. You may now restart into new system or continue using Lubuntu Linux environment. Okay, select the checkbox that is restart now and click on done. See here, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, to release the cursor, just Alt Control, right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then click on CD DVD, then unselect this device and in device status unselect both the check boxes, then click on OK, then come to here and hit enter. Now provide password of this user and hit enter to log in. Now open terminal, search for terminal, click on Q terminal. Now verify the version that we have installed, more/etc os-release. See, we have installed 24.04.2. Okay, if you want to verify the IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, ifconfig is not found, so you can give IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, so if you want to work, so to work this one, we have to install this nettool. So install it, sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. Provide the password of this user. Hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L. Now run the same ifconfig. See, we got the IP of the machine. Okay, see, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, now the first step after connecting to Lubuntu machine is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Lubuntu 24.04.2 on VMware workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.